Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need a compatible iPhone with the latest Waze app installed. Once ready, plug in or pair CarPlay. Start by unlocking your phone and approving CarPlay on the screen, because CarPlay won't appear otherwise. Once connected, look for the Waze icon on the CarPlay home screen. If you don't see it, swipe through app pages. Make sure Waze has location and background permissions on the phone so routes load instantly when you tap the app. Open Waze on CarPlay and type or speak your destination to begin. Use the search field or press the voice button to keep hands-free. Once a destination appears, review route options and tap your preferred route. You can avoid tolls or highways in the options menu. Make sure in-car audio is set to play navigation prompts. Adjust Waze voice volume on your phone if directions are too quiet. This ensures turn-by-turn cues are audible over music and traffic noise. Drive using Waze prompts and report hazards or police with on-screen buttons to improve routing for everyone. If CarPlay disconnects, first try unplugging and reinserting the cable or toggling your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Many issues are temporary. If maps won't load, close Waze and relaunch or restart the phone. Make sure cellular data or a paired hotspot is available. For persistent problems, update iOS and Waze. Then repair CarPlay. This fixes most compatibility faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.